What's up guys, Josh here with another awesome easy recipe. Today we're making lemon pepper salmon, so let's get right to it. The first thing you need to do is set your oven to 450 degrees, then preheat your pan for at least 30 minutes. Next you're going to take some olive oil and brush it onto both sides of your salmon. Now that your salmon is oiled, go ahead and add some salt and pepper to both fillets. Next, take one lemon, slice it in half, and save 2 slices for later. Then take the remaining lemon and squeeze the lemon over your salmon. Now take the 2 slices you saved and set one on top of each fillet. Now your salmon is ready for the oven. Be sure to preheat your pan for 30 minutes before adding your salmon. A nice hot pan is how you get that delicious crispy skin. Put your salmon in the oven for 14 to 18 minutes depending on size. These fillets took about 16 minutes. Well, there you have it guys, an easy, delicious way to cook salmon with your cast iron. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification button at the bottom so you know when we release new recipes. And as always, see you guys on the next one.